In this video we will discuss about plain truss. Plain truss is a 2D truss and there can be 3D trusses also, but we will discuss for 2D trusses. A truss is a structure member made from bars which carry either tensile or compressive loads and are connected at ends only. So this is important that they are connected at ends, they are not connected intermediately, or they are having either tensile or compressive loads. So these are the two conditions for the truss. And loads in truss is applied at the connection only. So if there is a bar, like if this is a bar, and there will be no loads in between, means we cannot apply a point load or a uniform distributed load here. We just have to apply loads at the end points where the trusses are connected. And if members are connected at ends, so truss is only connected at ends, but if members are connected at ends and also at midpoint or mid section of the bars, then it is called as a frame. So this is the basic difference between truss and the frame. And frame is also called, it is also called as frame if load is applied apart from ends. Means in frame load can be applied either at the end points or they are applied in between also. So if you see here two figures, one is truss and one is frame. So here you see all the members are connected at end points only. So these are the members which are bars, and the load is only applied at the point. At these points only we have to apply the loads. And this is a frame because you see this is the one member where we have connected multiple members in between, and also load is applied at the end points also and in the between this member also. So this is called as a frame, and it can also have a bending load, but in trusses it can have either compressive or tensile load. Here these are the members which are 1 2 3 4 5 members, and we have joint 1 joint, 2 joint, 3 joint and 4 joint. 4 joints are there. So M is the number of members and J is the number of joints. So to discuss about how we have to calculate the forces and analyze the analysis of the truss. So unknown forces in truss, so there are members and there are reaction forces at the support. So this is a fixed support where we have two reaction, one vertical reaction, one horizontal reaction. And in roller support we know that horizontal reaction does not occur, only vertical reaction will be there. So at support there will be three unknown forces, two vertical and one horizontal forces. So now unknown forces in trusses are all the members will have one unknown force. So all members has a force, either it can be tensile or compressive. So M members are there, so M unknown forces will be there, and reaction forces at support will be 3 reaction forces. So total unknown will be M plus 3. So these are the unknown forces inside the trusses. Now we have to calculate that unknown forces. So for that we have known equations. So known equations we have, each joint has two equilibrium equations. Means each and every joint there can be two conditions satisfied, which is summation of fx equal to 0 and summation of fy equal to 0, because all the joints are pin joint, so there will be no moment. And here total equations will be 2j, because there are j number of joints and each joint has two equations. So the total number of equilibrium equation will be 2j. Now we have three conditions. In this case. This total unknown will be equal to total equations. Total total unknown forces will be greater than number of equations, and total number of unknowns will be less than total equations. So these three equations we have, and here M plus 3 means unknowns will be equal to number of total equations. So if they are equal, we can find all the forces. So these are the same, because if we bring 3 here, then M is equal to 2j minus 3. So in this we can know all the forces. So it is called as a perfect truss. So perfect truss is completely balanced, where we can find all the forces. And if number of members are less than 2j minus 3, then it is unstable, because less number of member cannot support the structure. So it is called as unstable structure, or it can be said as collapsible structure. So it is not properly balanced and it is unstable. So number of members are less, that is why it is unstable. in structure, members will be more than required, members will be greater than 2j minus 3. So here what happens, it cannot move, the frame will be fixed, and it is called a statically indeterminate structure, where we require more equations because we have more number of members. So this is how we can define various types of structured trusses, and various type of structures. And this was about plane trusses. We will further see this in detail and how to analyze the particular problems. So see you in the next video, and thank you for watching this video.